This is a snapshot photograph alert of every required step for the edge vent. We have a YouTube video where you can watch a crew install it. It's a quick 2-minute clip. We have success stories on our website. Rapid fire, here are the steps. Bare deck, cut the slot 3/4 of an inch wide, 5 inches up from the edge of the roof. Step 2, Pennsylvania appropriate underlayment on the bare deck. I just covered over my slot. Grab a utility knife from the tool belt and open up that slot. Free it open. Position the vent on the roof. Repeat the Pennsylvania appropriate underlayment over the vent. Light gray, starter course of shingles. Darker gray, get busy shingling the roof.